This company has recently secured a prestigious order to supply wind turbine generators for a 153.7 megawatt wind power project, marking a significant milestone in its renewable energy journey. The stock has delivered a robust 9 times price increase over the past 2 years, reflecting strong market confidence. With plans to expand its electrical vehicle offerings and logistics fleet, the company is well positioned for long-term growth. Analysts forecast sustained revenue momentum backed by industry tailwinds and strategic initiatives intrigued. Stay tuned to discover this high potential stock. Hey there and welcome to another edition of Noisemaker, where we cut through the market noise to uncover hidden gems in the stock market. I'm Sejal Agrawal, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and today we'll be discussing 3 companies making significant moves in their respective industries. Their latest filings showcase immense potential for their long-term growth, and as always, this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any kind. So our today's lineup includes Refex Industries Limited, Bombay Super Hybrid Seeds Limited, and Associated Alcohols and Breweries Limited. So first company is Refex Industries Limited, which operates in renewable energy and eco-friendly refrigerants segments. Recently, its subsidiary secured a prestigious order to supply wind turbine generators for a 153.7 megawatt wind power project in Karnataka, strengthening its foothold in the green energy sector. Financially, the company delivered a revenue of Rs 595 crores in Q2 FY25 and EBITDA margins improving by 60 basis points, reaching 8.7%. With a focus on technology-driven solutions, the company plans to expand its electrical vehicle offerings and logistics fleet, positioning itself as a key player in sustainability. Second company includes Bombay Super Hybrid Seeds Limited, which specializes in hybrid and GM seeds, catering to agricultural innovation. And the company reported 355.9% quarter-on-quarter growth in Q3 FY25 revenue, supported by strong operational execution. Management aims to achieve Rs 62 crores turnover by FY28, aided by widened distribution network with 3 new depots planned by FY25. The addition of 40 new product varieties in FY25 underscores the company's commitment to expanding its market presence. The third company is Associated Alcohols and Breweries Limited, which is a leading player in the alcohol industry, offering premium liquors and hand sanitizers. In Q3 FY25, the company posted 28.2% quarter-on-quarter revenue growth, with EBITDA margins improving to 12.2%, growing by 240 basis points. And the recent product launches, including the premium blended whiskey and ready-to-drink beverages, aim to capture the growing demand in the premium alcohol segment. Management guidance includes stabilizing margins at 15 to 16% by FY26, signaling at a strong recovery trajectory. Now, reviewing some of our previous picks, here is a quick update on 5 of our earlier Noisemaker recommendations. First is Jost Engineering Company Limited, which was covered at Rs 563.2, now trading at Rs 550.1, down by 2.3%. Cosmic CRF Limited covered at Rs 1703.5, now trading at Rs 1900, up by 11.5%. Valiant Communications Limited covered at Rs 610, now at Rs 606.3, down by 0.6%. Dhabaria Bollywood Limited covered at Rs 374.8, now trading at Rs 414, up by 10.4%. Siaram Silks Mill Limited covered at Rs 849, now at Rs 890.1, up by 4.9%. Now, summary of our today's recent filings include Refex Industries Limited, which secured a major wind power project order for 153.7 megawatt, enhancing its renewable energy credentials. Bombay Super Hybrid Seeds Limited, which showcased stellar Q3 FY25 revenue growth of 355.9% quarter-on-quarter, fueled by robust market strategies. And Associated Alcohols and Breweries Limited, which posted impressive margin improvements of 25% increase in EBITDA margin and 35% growth in net margin. So that's it for today's Noisemaker, and for more details refer to the PDF attached below. Stay ahead and stay informed.